Captain, what are we gonna do?
I'll get us out of here, Rivers. Come hell or high water. I promise.
Captain, come here.
She's not gonna make it, Doc. My God. What are you?
Je me suis enfermée dans ces cages.
I lock myself in this cage.
Je ne peux pas mourir.
I cannot die.
Cette malédiction m'a fait faire tant de mauvaises
The
choses.
curse make me do so many bad things.
Je tue des hommes et des femmes.
I kill people,
Je tue même
kill
des enfants.
children.
Plus de morts.
No more death.
Plus de morts.
No more killing.
S'il vous plaît, laissez-moi mourir.
Please just let me
Je
die.
suis un loup-garou. Je suis un loup-garou. Loup-garou.
Luargu?
Lugaru. It means wolfman.
Or wolf woman.
S'il vous plaît, laissez-moi mourir.
She wasn't trying to grab me before. She wanted my cross.
Please just let me die.
It's silver.
Attention, American soldiers! We know you are in there and my men have the building surrounded.
Perfect timing.
I will be, as you Americans like to say, to the point. One of you killed my only son today. And for this, all of you will die. But I am a man of honor, and so I offer you a choice. If you come out now unarmed and accept your fate, your death will be quick and painless. But if you force me to risk the lives of my men to expel your 50 hides, you will die in unimaginable agony. I await your response.
Damn.
S'il vous plaît, laissez-moi mourir.
Here, ma'am. Take it. It'll do you more good than it did us.
Hold up.
But before you die, we need you to do something for us.
This is Captain Lawrence Talby of the United States Army.